What is up, guys? I am back with another Hot Wheels Monster Jam unboxing video. This is a Small Hubs truck from 2003, and yeah, so here are the trucks on the back of the package. So you got the Hot Wheels, Gravedigger, Bounty Hunter, the Rare Inferno, Thrasher, Power Forward, Wolverine, that's the SFX edition, El Toro Loco, Spider-Man, The Incredible Hulk, Team Ments, Masters of the Universe, Prowler, Avenger, Medusa, King Crunch, and Bulldozer. So which truck from 2003 did I get? I got Power Forward. Oh yeah, this truck is awesome. Man, this thing is insane. I've been wanting this truck in my collection for a long time, and now I got it. Man. And, yeah, the rarest one from this series is that 2003 Inferno. I think it is real, it's just a super hard to find truck. I could be wrong, but yeah, I mean, very few people have it, so, I mean, yeah, so, so let's get Power Forward unboxed. Alright, there she is, all nice and beautiful. Man, this truck is a beauty. Alright, let's check her out on the package. I mean on the turntable, then we'll do an in-depth graphics review. So, this truck was created by professional basketball player Karl Malone, and I guess Power Forward is like his slogan or something. I'm not sure, but either way, this is a really cool truck. I got the Small Hubs version of it because it was cheaper. So yeah. It's got orange rims, and yeah. Yeah, this was a pretty cool paint scheme back then. Alright, so here's the truck. Alright, so on the side you got a picture of Karl Malone. It's like I think he's like brawling his way through. You got the Hot Wheels logo. It's got Karl Malone's signature. It says Karl Malone Race Team. Number 32, that was his jersey number when he was a basketball player. Obviously, metal base. Says Power Forward right there. Instead of the Monster Jam logo, it's the USHRA badge. On the tailgate says Karl Malone Race Team 32 again. Same thing on this side. On the front, it's got the old Ford grille. I was a huge fan of the old Ford body, so that's the best part about this truck. The old Ford body. On the top, it's got the Power Forward logo on the hood, and then on the top it says 32, and then on both sides of the roof it says Karl Malone Race Team. So yeah, that is the 2003 Power Forward Small Hub. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this truck. This truck will make its debut in Sign Up Series number 25 along with Ninja Blade, and I decided, because I got the Reveal the Steel 2-pack with Radical Rescue and Blue Thunder, those trucks will also make their Sign Up Series debut in Sign Up Series 25, so again, it'll be, like mixed again, and then I think Sign Up Series 26 is when I'll begin the Sign Up Series events is with like where it goes from like a timeline from like 2000 to 2013, and then 2014 to 2018 or something like that. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Turn on the bell for notifications so you don't miss a new video. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So yeah, hope you guys stay safe, stay healthy, and take care.